The Seven Wonders of the Ancient World. The Seven Wonders of the Ancient World were a collection of remarkable constructions known to travelers in the Mediterranean and Near Eastern region. These wonders are often viewed as symbols of human achievement, though most of them no longer exist today. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. The only wonder still standing, the Great Pyramid of Giza, was built as a temple. The Egyptian, originally covered in smooth white limestone casing, it stood as the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Its sheer size and precision of construction, achieved without modern technology, continue to awe engineers and historians alike. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, Iraq, described as a breathtaking paradise of clear gardens with flowing water. The Hanging Bridge of Babylon are believed to have been built by King Nebuchadnezzar II for his wife Amenthys of Media. Though their existence remains a topic of debate among scholars, the gardens were disputed to be an engineering marvel with lush vegetation rising above the arid Mesopotamian landscape. The statue of Zeus at Olympia, Greece, sculpted by the sculptor Phidias. The statue of Zeus was a monumental seated figure of the king of the Greek gods, made of ivory and gold-plated bronze. At nearly 40 feet in height, the statue was housed in the Temple of Zeus at Olympia and was one of the largest statues ever created in the ancient world. The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus, Turkey. The Temple of Artemis was a grand structure dedicated to the Greek goddess Artemis, located in modern-day Turkey. The temple was rebuilt around 550 BCE. After being destroyed by a flood, the temple was known for its immense-sized grand column and elaborate sculpture, making it one of the largest and the most magnificent temples in the ancient world. The Mausoleum at Halikarnassus, Turkey. Built as a tomb for Mausolus, the Persian satrap of Karla, and his wife Artemisla. The Mausoleum at Halikarnassus was a fusion of Greek, Egyptian, and Lycian architectural styles. At nearly 140 feet tall, the mausoleum was adorned with stunning sculpture, and its beauty inspired the term mausoleum or any grand tomb. The Colossus of Rhodes, Greece. The giant bronze statue of the sun god Helios, the Colossus of Rhodes, stood at the entrance to the harbor of the island of Rhodes. Standing over 100 feet tall, it was one of the tallest statues of the ancient world. Although the statue was destroyed by an earthquake in 226 BCE, it became an enduring symbol of power and achievement. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, Egypt, also known as the Pharos of Alexandria. This lighthouse stood on the small island of Pharos in Egypt. Towering up over 330 feet, it was one of the tallest man-made structures of the ancient world. Its purpose was to guide sailors safely into the harbor of Alexandria, and its light was visible for many miles, a beacon of hope for mariners. The wonders of the world, whether man-made or natural, are a testament to the extraordinary capabilities of humanity and the awe-inspiring beauty of the planet, from ancient pyramids, modern marvels, and from the grandeur of the Grand Canyon to the tranquility of Tamal. These wonders serve as reminders of what has been accomplished and what still inspires us to dream, create, and explore as we continue look toward the future. These wonders will remain lasting symbol of our shared story and the limitless potential of human and natural achievement.